welcome back. Today I'm going to get the school set, and I'm going to bring it home and unpackage it. Today I'm going to unbox my school set. So I'm really excited. I have all these accessories to go on the teacher's desk, and all my math books and rulers and chalk, and then the stuff for the students. And I'm really excited that it comes with a desk and chairs and tables and everything. I'm going to put it together just like this. That was fast. So in here we have the calculator and this pencil, a math book, and inside here we have markers, some index cards, some thumbtacks, a pencil sharpener, and then we have rulers. Here's another one. Oh, we have little sticky notes. These are so cute. Then we have some stuff to draw circles, erasers, and some notebook paper. The desks don't close right unless you push on it and then go down. But we have a pencil, a stapler, some more rulers. We have some crayons, another ruler, a pencil sharpener, an eraser. And then in the teacher's desk, I have little pens and pencils. They don't actually write, but they're really cute decorations. And some mini tape, which is really cute. I love my teacher mug. We have mathematics and art. Two sticks of chalk to write on the chalkboard. It's a little marker for this board. And we have an eraser. It works really good. We also have the attendance sheet for the teacher. We have little good behavior ticket type things, a certificate of achievement, and little apples and stars. Then over here We have the lockers. I put most of the stuff in here, but it comes with the folder and the comprehension book. Composition, something like that. And there's the school doors. It's just the wall right here. We have a working clock on the wall. And we also have lights right here with this light switch. We have the bell and the fire alarm. I actually, on this board, there's some things that got hung up, like these pictures. I used some earrings. I lost my other one too, or I have another one like it. I used my earrings to hang them up. Then over here, we have some flowers, and behind Samantha, there's a shelf. I put some little notes on it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you in your next video. Bye! Just like this?
Yeah.
Okay.